Tutorial of HU162T-8 cards. How to use Lishi to pick and decode. Finally, meeting a new key. First step, looking for wafers by lifter. Click from the first space. It's spongy on the first space. Try the second. Not spongy here. It means no wafers on the second. And right now we can confirm wafers on the first, third, fifth, and seventh. Try to use lifter to confirm again. First, third, fifth, and seventh. We get to know second, fourth, sixth, eighth. We already confirmed all wafers position. And then how to pick the lock. Pay attention to the arrow of tension bar. Try to touch the first wafer if it's spongy. If not spongy, click. Try the third one. If it's spongy like this, go for another one. It's spongy, go for another one. Not spongy, click here. If it's okay, try another side. Spongy, go for another one. Not spongy, click. And then touch the sixth, the eighth. Not spongy, click. If finish all, please try to touch one more time. Not spongy, click. Click again. It's spongy, go for another one. Click. Go on. It's spongy. The second, fourth, sixth, eighth. The first wafer, click again. If not spongy, go on clicking. Touch the third. The fifth, the seventh. Click. Click again. Please take it easy. Try to touch one by one. Feel if it's spongy. If you feel that's not spongy, click. No matter which wafer. Spongy, pass. Not spongy, click. One more time, again and again. Spongy, spongy, spongy. Also spongy. Not spongy, click. Turn the lock successfully. Right now, let's decode together. First, third, fifth, seventh, second, fourth, sixth, eighth. Let's get the key beating. The first is 1. The third is 3. The fifth is 2. The seventh is 1. The second is 5. The fourth is 4. The sixth is 5. The eighth is 4. And then how to get a key. Click 2-in-1 decoder. Look for HU162T-8 cards. And input the numbers from Lishi decoder. 1, 5, 3, 4, 2, 5, 1, 4. This key is special, different from others. The spaces of second, fourth, fifth, seventh need to convert. So we have to click convert. Finally, cut keys. The picture shows how to install the key on the clamp. Cut a new key by 12 to tank CNC key cutting machine. Pay attention, we have to use the cutter 1.5 to cut this key. Take the proper key blank and install the key on the clamp. Click continue and cut the key. Go on continue. Finish cutting both sides. It's time to cut the lateral side. Click B. Install the key depending on picture. If it's ready, click Continue. The depth has only one. Click 1. Click Cut.
Please clean the clamp.
After finishing both sides of cutting, clean the particles. Try to turn the lock on. Turn off. Turn on.